Welcome to the kitchen. Since we're channeling Tony the Chef vibes, we're keeping things bold, flavorful, and incredibly fresh. This isn't just a meal, it's a spread. The saltiness of the smoked fish and the savory spice of the pastrami pair beautifully with a bright, acidic Persian salad, Salad Shirazi. The Tony-style Persian salad guide. The secret to a great Persian salad isn't just the ingredients, it's the uniformity of the cut. Everything should be diced into tiny cubes, about the size of a chickpea, so you get every flavor in one spoonful. The prep. The cucumbers. Use 3-4 Persian mini cucumbers. Cut them into long spears first, then bunch the spears together and slice across to create tiny cubes. Keep the skin on for crunch. The tomatoes. Use 3 firm Roma tomatoes. Scoop out the watery seeds first. This prevents the salad from getting soggy, then dice them to match the cucumber size. The red onion. Use half a small red onion. Finely mince this. You want the flavor, not a huge bite of raw onion. The herbs. Take a large bunch of fresh dill. Don't just chop it. Rock your knife back and forth until it's like green dust. The dressing. Whisk together the juice of 2 limes, 3 TBSP extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, and some dried mint. Toss it all together right before serving. The smoked fish and pastrami platter. For 4 people, we want to build your own style presentation. Smoked fish. 1 lb, 500 grain of smoked trout or whitefish, flaked into large chunks. Pastrami. 1 lb, 250 gray of high-quality beef pastrami, sliced thin. Pickles. 4 to 6 large garlic dills or cornichons, sliced into long spears. The cream. 1 cup Greek yogurt or sour cream, mixed with a tablespoon of horseradish. The base. Lay out a large wooden board or platter. The proteins. Arrange the flaked smoked fish on one side and the ribbons of pastrami on the other. The aromatics. Scatter fresh dill sprigs and your sliced pickles over the top. The bread. Serve with toasted rye bread or sourdough points. Take a slice of bread, swipe on the horseradish cream, lay down a ribbon of pastrami, top it with a chunk of smoked fish, and put a big spoonful of that crunchy Persian salad right on top. The contrast of the warm meat, cold fish, and acidic salad is a game changer. If you want to take the fish to the next level, hit it with a quick squeeze of lemon and a crack of black pepper just before it hits the table.